I'm Mary Todd Dorner from Young VW Mazda. Pleasure to meet you. Thanks for calling on our 2012 Mazda 5. Super nice car. Sliding side doors, third row seating, showing it with one up, one down. Nice little in-between leatherette. As you can see as I walk around the car, and with the rear shut, here's what it looks like. Very good looking car. It is Mazda certified. Gets you a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty from the original in-service date. This is the Grand Touring, and it started out here at $15,595, and it has been reduced to $13,595. The Mazda warranty gets you 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain. And this one would end at 100,000 miles or October 22nd, 2019, whichever comes first. So Mary, I know you didn't leave a phone number for me to call you, so if you could please give me a call. My phone number is 610-991-9100. I've sent you an email on the car, and I'd like to see what I could do to earn your business. So, again, it is Todd Dorner from Young VW Mazda, and here's my card. Thanks. Have a great day, Margaret.